Okay, so what I did is I removed this uh, tensioner spring mechanism, and I brought this adapter part of the uh, moving mechanism into the trolley, locked it, and then I had to move the belt more towards this way to adjust for the movement in the adapter. So I brought it maybe, I'm guessing maybe an inch or so more, and I had to adjust the since the belt has teeth, I had to disengage the belt from the gear and move it a few teeth this way so that it can reach the this spring loaded mechanism. And I'm now also going to measure again, and then I tighten this mechanism to make it more tight, the tensioner. And when I now measure, it is still actually, if I measure from here, it is now exactly about 2 inches how it used to be. So I have a feeling this will work, and the garage door should now work. So I'm going to test it out again. Actually, yeah, it's exactly 2 inches how it used to be. So hopefully this will work. I had loosened this pulley, but maybe that was not the real issue. So if it works now, I'm going to tighten it, tighten this nut to better secure this pulley. So I'm going to try it now, and hopefully it'll work. The belt seems tense enough. There seems to be enough tension in the belt, so it should work now.